Discover the future of solar panel production with REOO technology, a leader since 2005. Renowned for innovative solutions, we specialise in the full life cycle of solar panel production, setting the standard with our one-stop service. At REOO Technology, excellence is our commitment. From design to after sales, we adhere to the ISO 9000 quality system, guaranteeing top-tier standards worldwide. Our machinery portfolio caters to diverse PV modules, including single and double glass, flexible and BIPV solar panels. These machines are celebrated for their longevity, precision and efficiency. Key features include seamless automation with PLC, servo, robots and machine vision. Flawless solar cell quality through automatic feeding and industrial camera defect detection. Consistent soldering quality via infrared technology with closed-loop temperature control. Precise cell string placement by a 6-axis robot in our fully automatic laying up machine. Moreover, REOO offers specialised equipment like solar panel laminator in various sizes, dual platform solar cell cutters for efficient half cell and module production, precision solar cell testers with pulse xenon light for accurate sun simulation, comprehensive solar panel testing with our sun simulators and EL testers, precise TPT EVA film cutting machines. Our lineup supports every manufacturing stage from PV glass loading to packing, for capacities up to 1 gigawatt annually. Tailored solutions and customer-centric services like free layout design, cutting-edge technology, on-site installation and swift after-sale support underscore our commitment to uninterrupted production. Join us at REOO Technology, where innovation meets dedication in solar industry advancement.